Welcome back, dear students. I hope the last topic has been clear to you all. Now let's go to the next topic. Let's see what is the next topic. Drawing displacement vector. Consider a person standing at point P and moves x kilometer towards point Q located in its direction along PQ, and then after reaching at point Q start moving along QR a distance equal to y kilometers due north. The actual length of the path traveled by the person to reach point R is the length of PQ plus the length of QR. So x plus y kilometer is the distance traveled by him. Already we know that the distance is scalar quantity and its value can be 0 or negative during the motion of the body. In the same example, join point P and R to know shortest distance. The length of the straight line PR is the displacement from P to R. Thus, the displacement represents the shortest straight line path between the initial and the final position. Here, the displacement can be found by using the Pythagorean theorem or hypotenuse theorem. Displacement is a vector quantity and it can be positive or negative or 0. Suppose a person again travels from R to P, comes back to the original position. Then the person has 0 displacement even though he has moved through a distance. Because the person moves back to the original position, that is final position, coincide with the initial position. Now, next topic is average speed and average velocity. Suppose a bus started at point A and reached point B, which is at distance of 450 km in 9 hours. Here, the distance covered by the bus in each hour is equal to 450 km per 9 hour, which is equal to 50 km per hour. But the bus does not cover exactly 50 km in each hour, because there may be some variation in distance covered by bus for each hour. So, we take average of distances covered by the bus for each hour to decide its average speed. The distance covered by an object in a unit time is called average speed. Let the displacement of the trip in this example be 270 km due southeast. The displacement in each hour is equal to 270 km per 9 hours, which is equal to 30 km per hour. The displacement of an object per unit time is called average velocity. Average velocity is vector and is along the direction of displacement. The quantities average speed and average velocity explain the motion of a body in a given time interval. They do not give any information about the motion of the body at a particular instant of time. Let's solve a numerical which is given. The example is Vinay swims in a 60-meter long pool. He covers 120 meters in 1 minute by swimming from one end to the other end and back along the same straight path. Find the average speed and average velocity of Vinay. Here you can see a solution button over given. We have to click on that and we'll have the solution of the given question. You can see the solution over here. Total distance covered by Vinay is 120 meters, time taken is 1 meter. The average velocity is equal to 120 by time and the average speed is 2 meters per second. Now the result over here is the average speed of velocity is 2 meters per second. Hope the numerical is clear and the topic provided is also clear. We will continue with the next topic again. Thank you.